Hey, this is Chapter Noah. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 2,000 plus word article fast and easy with PLR articles, okay? PLR means private label rights, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can take PLR articles and turn them into a 2,000 plus, 3,000 plus, 4,000 plus, 10,000 plus, or even 20,000 plus, and do a very long, detailed article under whatever niche that you have. But I'm just going to show you under the weight loss niche, okay, how you can do this and how you can make yourself a article that's 200 plus word count. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to do this very simple. When you're actually doing this, you can match up the topics a little bit better, so they go with it. I'm just going to show you how simple it is to put together a few articles to do 200 plus word count article, okay, with PLR articles. Okay, so we'll click on this one right here. This is 515 word count right here. So we're just going to copy this right here. We're going to go to another notepad over here, and we're going to click right here, add some spaces here. We're going to remove this information right here. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go back over here to the file. We're going to click on the next one here. Alright, so this will make it actually 800 word count now. So we'll come over here, we'll paste this right in there, remove all this stuff right here. So we're at about 800 word count now. See how easy that is? Alright, so let's go back over to here and we'll pick another one out over here. This one right here is almost 400, so we'll just round it up. So we got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so 1,200 now. We're just going to copy this right here. So now we're up to 1,200 word count. So we'll just go right here. We'll remove this information right here. So we're at 1,200 word count now. Alright, let's go back over here now. Let's pick another one right here. So now we're going to be at 800 word count now. So let's go post it over here. Alrighty, so we'll go like this. Alrighty, so let's just delete this stuff right here. So now we're at 1,800. So now we just go over here and we just pick another article from here. And obviously this one takes us over to 2,000 plus. Okay, so we're going to come down here. Oops. I'm just going to copy it all here. And I'll remove everything. Alright, you go right here. And then now let me delete this one right here. Delete this one right here. Alrighty. Now we can go back over to here. Alrighty. Here we go. Now we paste this right here. We come back up here. Now we remove all this keyword stuff right here. Alright. Go like that. Alright. Now we have a 2,000 plus article right here on weight loss, okay? And whatever niche that you're going to have set up, but it's that simple to put together. And like I said, you can get more detailed once you put this together to match the topics up a little bit better. But to be honest, you can make an article with this. 5 best ways to lose weight. You can come down here. 5 ways to boost your metabolism. You could just have like a little thing like that put together, or like I said, you can match them up a little bit more, put different kind of content together that has to do with weight loss, and then put different articles that tell different benefits. 5 ways to to lose weight. So it's that simple. So if you would like to get access to your own private label right articles, PLR articles, what you can do is below this video, I'm gonna have a link. And you can actually purchase today 100,000 PLR articles, and it's actually 100,000 plus PLR articles because I'm going to give you your own website with 15,000 more articles that you can get someone on Fiverr to set it up for you, and you can start making sales today with people buying 15,000 article super bundle from you. So you get the 100,000 plus 15,000 more, and you can do anything you want with these articles, okay, these PLR articles. You can watch the video here. We'll get more into detail of what you're going to get. I'm just kind of going to show you just a little bit here. But if you act today, you can save 50% off, so you won't pay $147. So you just click out checkout. I'll just show you this and I'll go more in detail. Then what you can do is, I already have this set up already before. You can see it's $147, and then when you add the code right here, you can see it took that $147 down to $73.50. So let's go back here, and I'll show you. Like I said, read through this right here, because you can do anything you want with private label right articles once you have the private label rights. These are private label right niche articles, so it's in tons of different niches. You can read right here, what can I do with PLR articles? You can write ebooks, you can make free reports, you can use PLR to build your own email list to get more subscribers, make your own mini email course, use PLR articles for affiliate marketing, use the PLR articles to add new content to your blog or website, use PLR in your subscriber email newsletter, create many different how-to home study courses, create reports, create a report from your PLR articles, sell ebooks, and so much more. You can do tons and tons of things with these PLR articles, okay, which are private label right articles. You can the topics right here, the categories, they're going to be art and entertainment, business, computers, technology, fashion, finance, food and beverage, health and fitness, home and family, internet business, motivation, organizing, product reviews, and miscellaneous. And you can see right here there's 175 different categories right here of the articles, the PLR articles, and you can see them all right here. You are not going to run out of information at all and articles that you can set up different niche PLR websites, or if you want to go on sites like Fiverr or even like Upwork, and you can actually sell these articles to people as a bundle or individually or whatever you want to do. So the possibilities are endless. And like I said, I'm giving you a free bonus right here, a free website that you will get, that you can get someone from Fiverr to set up for you for probably $5, maybe $10 at the most. It's over $197 value. This comes with an extra, like I said, you get 100,000 PLR articles, plus you get an extra 15,000 with this package right here, okay, that you'll be able to start selling these PLR articles today for the 15,000. And you can also sell, the 100,000 if you want to too. But I would stick with these right here and use the other ones to, make some money on Fiverr and sell them in different packages, break them up like that so you can actually even make more money than selling it as a bundle. But this particular site, you can just sell them as 15,000, get someone to set it up for you, and have the money start going into your PayPal account. It is that simple. That's how powerful PLR articles can be for you. You can make, you build your own niche affiliate website, make money from affiliate marketing like that, with your own affiliate niche website, or you can go on sites like Fiverr, like I just said. You can sell the articles, or like I said, you can set up this site and you can start selling these articles. You can do so many different things, turn in reports, ebooks like I read up there. If you want to watch the video right here, it will explain more detail what you're going to get. But like I said, you're going to get 100,000 plus private label right articles, niche articles that you can do anything with you want. You can resell them, anything. They're yours. That's what private label rights means, okay? If you have any other kind of questions or anything like that, you can post them below this video. I'll put a link to this website where you can actually purchase this today and save 50% off with this promo code. And if you have any questions in the comments area, please write them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you come over to our site, like I said, there'll be a link below this video. Just click on contact right here and just enter your information right there, and it is that simple. And like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to create a 2,000 plus word article fast and easy with PLR articles. Okay? Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.